This video is to show how to check your table saw blade alignment using the magnetic caliper base from MAG-DRO. First, make sure the saw is unplugged. Then, raise the saw blade just shy of full height. Place the crosspiece of the combination square in the miter slot. Maintaining pressure against the close end of the slot, place the caliper and caliper base unit at the end of the steel ruler. You will need to mark a place where the depth probe hits the blade. Then extend the depth probe against the blade and set the 0. Retract the depth probe and rotate the blade so that the mark is on the other side. Extend the depth probe and check your blade alignment. To make sure your blade alignment check is correct, retract the depth probe, return the saw blade to its original spot, and check your 0 again. If adjustment is necessary, check with the belt off so that you know if the pull of the belt impacts the blade alignment.